Which of these is a formula for an inorganic acid? Nitric acid, HNO3, is classified as an inorganic or mineral acid because it is derived from non-living mineral sources. It is a highly corrosive strong acid used extensively in the production of fertilizers and explosives. Cu is formic acid, which is an organic acid found in the venom of ants. C2H5-on is ethanol, which is an organic alcohol rather than an inorganic acid. CH3Cu is acetic acid, an organic acid commonly found in vinegar. How many hydroxide ions per molecule does a triacidic base give when it ionizes in water? The acidity of a base is determined by the number of ionizable hydroxyl, or groups it contains per molecule. A triacidic base, such as aluminum hydroxide, releases exactly 3 hydroxide ions when it dissociates in an aqueous solution. What is the term for chemical substances used to determine if a solution is acidic or basic? Indicators are substances like litmus, phenolphthalein, or turmeric that change color in response to the pH level of a solution. They are fundamental tools in chemistry used to identify the endpoint of a reaction or the nature of a substance. What is the general nature of acids? Acids are generally corrosive substances that can react with and damage metals, skin, and other materials due to their high reactivity. This property is a result of their ability to donate protons, H+ ions, during chemical reactions. B. While some specific acids can be components of explosives, the general chemical nature of acids is defined by corrosiveness rather than explosiveness. C. Acids have a pH value less than 7, which makes them chemically distinct from neutral substances like pure water. D. Most concentrated acids are highly corrosive, making the claim that they are generally non-corrosive scientifically inaccurate. How are acids classified based on the extent of their ionization? Acids are classified as strong if they ionize completely in aqueous solution and weak if they only partially ionize. This classification is a measure of the acid's strength and its ability to donate protons, H+ ions, to the solution. What is the nature of acids that allows them to spoil substances? Acids are highly reactive substances that can chemically destroy or irreversibly damage surfaces they come into contact with, including metals and organic tissues. This corrosive property is due to their ability to donate protons and react with various materials. Abrasive refers to physical wearing down by friction rather than chemical reaction. Combustible substances are those that catch fire easily, which is not the primary characteristic of acids. Soluble refers to the ability to dissolve in a solvent, which does not inherently imply the destruction of substances. What is the role of tartaric acid? Tartaric acid is mixed with sodium bicarbonate to form baking powder, where it reacts to release carbon dioxide for leavening. In competitive exams, it is noted for neutralizing the bitter taste of sodium carbonate formed during baking. Acids ionize in water due to their chemical nature and the polar properties of water, not because of tartaric acid. Carbonic acid is the primary acid used in aerated drinks to provide the characteristic fizz. Aqua regia, a mixture of nitric and hydrochloric acids, is used to dissolve noble metals like gold and platinum. What is the charge of the sulfate ion produced from the dissociation of sulfuric acid? When sulfuric acid, H2SO4, dissociates in water, it releases 2 hydrogen ions, H+, and 1 sulfate ion, SO4 The -2 charge on the sulfate ion balances the +2 total charge from the 2 hydrogen ions to maintain electrical neutrality. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.